Hi, it's Motabitz in Ferndown. We've just fitted one of the DMX7722DABS into a 2015 Suzuki SX4. Nice stereo with digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. This unit's also wireless, so you don't have to have your phone connected for it to actually use all the functions. We've also managed to get a rear camera input off of the original camera, so we haven't had to fit a new camera throughout the vehicle. All the steering controls and everything are all working as they should be. You do voice activation and navigation, all those kind of things that you normally get with the Android Auto systems. Very nice stereo. Thanks.